Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, this is the kind I use. What's up YouTube, it's your favorite boy Vincentjay, and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. The subscribe button, and you will not regret it. That's it and that's all. Period. Today in this video I will be doing my mini twist on my 4C hair. These twists are basically revamped from my old set of twists, which were, I had them for like about 2 weeks, and yeah, they were really rough, dry. Well, not OD dry because I was moisturizing them and everything like that. Alright y'all, so I just washed my hair not too long ago. Maybe, I want to say 45 minutes to an hour ago. I'm being lazy. I'm definitely being lazy. And I didn't even use shampoo, I just used conditioner. Aussie Moist. Y'all know I love you my soft degrees now. Y'all know I love it. Is it going to focus or not? Hold on. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, this is the kind I use. Yeah, know I love me my soft degrees. Grease been working for me. It been working for me, been doing me right now. But the only thing I hate about washing my hair when it's in twists is that they become matted, kinda. I'm like kinda. They become matted and like they tend to fuse over to different twists. That's the only thing I don't like. See, this one is already still kind of wet, so I don't really need to re-wet it, I don't think. But being that they're old twists and then I washed it, I played myself. I played myself. But it's not that bad. I guess maybe because I've been taking care of it, so I don't know. And I'm moving slow. You gotta be gentle. When you do stuff like this, you gotta be gentle, because if you don't, you're gonna rip your hair out. It's gonna cause more breakage. And I don't got time, I got enough breakage. And y'all, I'm gonna do Don't Get On Me, because somebody already got on me, and you know who you are. Because the last time I trimmed my hair, I was like, you know, maybe somewhere in July, or blah, 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 blah. And it's July, my birthday done passed now, so maybe, okay, it's 18th. So I wanna say next week, I'm probably gonna trim a little bit again. Only a little bit this time, not too much, because my hair growing now. Shoo. So what I'm doing is I'm just running my fingers through my hair, like through, and just taking out the shed hairs that I can grab with my fingers. That's it. Because I know how matted it is, so it's a lot of tangles and a lot of knots, so I'm just separating it slowly. So I don't want to, because then it rips out. Ain't nobody got time for that. Y'all need to learn how to make time for your hair and be patient. I know it's a lot, but make time and be patient. Your hair is your baby. That's your child. For the ones who don't have children, I don't got no kids either, but don't do that. Okay, I just brushed it. Now I'm taking some of the softy grease. One finger. I'm gonna start at the end. At the end, I twirl it around my finger like that to give it like a nice little small little coil, and then let it go, and then you watch shrinkage happen. You watch nature take place. Y'all saw that? That ain't nothing but the devil. That ain't nothing but the devil. That ain't nothing but the devil. Supposed to be down here now. Well, look at that hair it. Yes. Yes. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. What I'm telling y'all, get some grease, right? Some water and grease. Leave the leave-in conditioner alone. Well, don't leave it alone because you can still use it here and there, whatever, when you need to. Because, like, just a little bit though. Don't OD with the products and stuff. But leave all those name brand products alone. Leave them out. Oh, wait. Let me see. Let me show you the leave-in I used today. It's the Vincentjay Vincentjay Purity Instant Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. I used it as leave-in because I was in the store and I was shopping for peppermint soap, I think. Yeah, I was shopping for peppermint soap. And I'm like, let me just walk in the hair aisle. And I should never did that. And then I was like, oh, I used to use that. Let me open it. And then I smelled it and Jesus awoken. He awoken me. He spoke to me. It smells so good. So I'm like, Last time I used it, I don't remember. It was definitely years ago. So I'm like, I don't remember how I used to work on my hair. But I stopped using it. I don't really remember why. It's possible I was probably broke. That's probably why I didn't use it. But who knows? I don't remember. So I'm like, let me just pick it up again because I got a few extra dollars and boom. I just use a little bit, just like that much, not too much. Each section I use like that much, like, so not my whole head, because you know the hair is thick, so it don't work like that. But I'm just gonna keep on going. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest off camera, and yeah, I'm gonna come back and check in with y'all when I'm like halfway done, all the way at the front. I don't know. I'm gonna see how I feel. I'm just so excited to sit here and record a sit down video, y'all, because you don't understand. It took forever. Like, I haven't been recording no sit down videos. I mean, my last few videos were vlogs only. I haven't done a sit down video in a while. I miss y'all. I mean, I'm gonna need to talk to y'all next video. Ooh, I miss y'all. I miss this. All right. I'm starting to run into some trouble areas, like right in the middle. Like, y'all see that? Like, there was this one that I was taking out, and I swear it took me like 10 minutes. It took me like a whole freaking 10 minutes. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh. Don't tell me I got dreads up in here now. It's time for me to start re-wetting because they're dry. Well, some of them are kind of dry. Like, look at this. Not even twisted anymore, only right here. Turned into a whole dread. Y'all, let's just take a moment. Y'all know I had to get the slow-mo. It wouldn't be right if I didn't do so. But let's just take a moment and look at these curls real quick. Look how this brush slides through them curls. Like, let's appreciate that of a brush. Amen for a brush. Even though I don't always use one, but amen. Now I'm done with the back or whatever. So now I'm gonna start on the front. well, the front two sections, these two. I usually like to start, well, as I always say in all my videos, I usually like to start on this side, which is my left side, but I'm going to start in the front on my left side. Sometimes when this happens, like, okay, I can clearly see this piece right here is supposed to be with this, but I can't get to it right now because it's stuck in a twist. So I'll just still twist my hair, and I'll still twist it up, and then when I get to that piece and it's free, I'll finally like take it out and then redo this twist. Y'all, I'm over here catching up on Stranger Things. Like, I had to start from season 1, episode 1, because I've seen the whole season 1, and I think I've seen some of season 2 as well. But it was so long ago, they took so long, and then season 3 came out, and I'm just like, yeah, let me just start over. Let me just start over. So right now, I'm over here trying to catch up on it. I'm on I'm about to go to episode 4 right now. Episode 3 just ended. We getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. I'm tired. I feel like I've been doing this for hours. I keep taking mad breaks. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm old now. I need a nap. For real. I need ooh, I want some wine. You know, oh my gosh, and I don't have any. What's up? Oh my gosh. Oh Jesus, no. No, I can't do it. I can't do it, not right now. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. Oh, I hope y'all really knew I was not going to fade about the sides. So right now I'm just wetting it to loosen that up a bit. Now I'm going to grab my Vincentjay's moisturizing hair lotion, and I'm going to rub that in all over pretty much and really get in there. Then I'm going to grab my softy grease, a little bit of that, really to lock in that moisture. And then after I rub it in all over and make sure it's in there, I'm going to brush my hair down because, whoa, I need a haircut. I need a haircut bad. Y'all need to buy me one. Like, pay for it. Thank you. Haircuts are not what they used to be. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just put the finishing touches all over, get some rubbing the excess grease, and that's what I'm doing. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, especially if you made it this far. Please remember to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and leave a comment down below on your favorite part, any questions you have, or what you would like to see me do next. Okay, until next time, always remember to be yourself for yourself and nobody else.